morning, friends. Thought I'd just make this a like super real, raw. This is what I'm gonna do. If you're new here, my name's Christy. I have 5 children. I share lots of mommy tips, routines, day in the lives, things like that, and anything surrounding my kids' adoption I love talking about. So if you like that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes. In other news, we got a massive amount of deliveries, and I'll talk to you about what exactly is in those boxes a little bit later. A lot of changes are gonna be happening in our family, so Ed bought a bunch of stuff, so yeah. Another cool thing is Lego sent us a care package, which I am so excited about. The kids literally went crazy over it. I got a classic one, we got this creators one, we got a friends 2-in-1 one here. It looks like a Heart Lake City brick box. It's really cute. I love that picture. Like, look how sweet that is. And then we got a bunch of these bracelets. Lily, you want to show the bracelets? I don't know, they're like this new thing called dots, so we'll do it in another video and having them play with it so you guys can see it. And Avea has this friends one called Olivia's Cupcake Cafe. And then the last, oh, there's 2 more things. We got this dots thing, and I think you actually use the dots on the bracelets also. And the last thing is another one of these creator things called Outback Cabin. So thank you so much, Lego, for sending this. This is just such a sweet, kind gesture, and it made my kids' day, and we're gonna have so much fun doing this weekend. We decided to wait until Daddy gets home because Daddy loves the bonding time of building Legos with the kids. That's like their thing that they do together. So we're gonna wait for Daddy to do this. And another thing, something really cool came for Mama, and I'm really excited that I was able to get this. So this is what I got. I actually received my silver play button for surpassing 100,000 subscribers, and this is just such a reminder of where I started and how far I can go if I really put my mind to it. So I'm really excited to be putting this in my office. Look how pretty it is. So I needed a little downtime to get some work done, so I gave my little girls the tablet, and we recently found this really cool website called Curiosity Stream. So I want to take a moment to thank Curiosity Stream for sponsoring today's video. Curiosity Stream is an on-demand platform for award-winning science, technology, history, and nature documentaries. Since all of our kids are spending so much time at home, Curiosity Stream is inviting families to stay in and stay curious with enhanced kids programming and incredibly good deal for an annual subscription. Right now you can get thousands of nonfiction titles and kid-friendly documentaries for just $12 for the entire year. That's only $1 a month. There are a lot of streaming services out right now. You might have to subscribe to several, and it really adds up. Not to mention, I am known for losing passwords. So I love, as a mama, that I can have Curiosity Stream to just hand to my kids and know that everything that they're watching is good for their brain and highly educational, and I don't have to worry about all the riffraff. All of my kids absolutely are obsessed with animals, so there's so much to offer on Curiosity Stream as far as learning about different animals, and anything that involves an animal underneath the water, they love. Me, as a mama and an adoptive mama of 5, I love all the educational tools that Curiosity Stream provides as far as like Black history and different cultures and things. It is really beneficial for our family. I want to invite you guys to check out Curiosity Streaming for yourself. Just click on the link in my description box for unlimited access to the world's top documentaries and nonfiction series. So enter Christy Gior when you're prompted during the sign-up process, and your membership is completely free for 30 days. Thank you so much, Curiosity Stream, for sponsoring today's video.
That is awesome!
Okay, so all right, I was able to get what I needed. Oh, thank you, my love. I was able to get what I need at the doctor's office. Actually, I just went to the lobby and I wanted to drop off adoption paperwork so that they could change it in the system, and then I can request to have online access, and then I can print out immunizations. But the lady there was like, girl, I got you. So she went upstairs and got me the immunizations like that. So that is just awesome. I went into the post office and I had to pick up some packages, so I'm really excited. Actually, I'm going to show you guys what we got. I might as well do that now. So someone actually sent us these hair ties, and they're like no damage hair ties for my girl's hair, as opposed to using the rubber ones, and they're like super cute. They have little bunnies, and then this one is, what is this one? Guys, are you buckled up? Because we're going to be leaving in a minute. This one is like, oh, it's a little bear. So that is really cute. I'm excited to try these. I'll let you guys know how they work, and I'll show you guys maybe in an upcoming hair video or something. But yeah, and your hair too, my love. And then I got this, and I don't know who it's from. It does not say who it's from. There is no note, but it's like a necklace, and it has all of my kids' picture on it. I'll show you. Hey, look.
Is it for little kids?
Look. So that is really sweet. Such a sweet, kind gesture. I wish you would have put your name so that I could thank you. And then I also got one last box. Let me see what's in it. This is just a day for unboxing, isn't it? Just seemed like all these boxes came at one time. So this one is from, oh shoot, where did it go? I know it's inside. I saw her name. It was just here, and actually she told me she was going to be sending me something.
Anyway,
her name is Ebony. So from Chosen Kids. Christy, thank you so much for allowing Chosen Kids to bless your babies. Love, Ebony. How sweet is that? I mean, thank you, Ebony, for sending me this. You're blessing me, not the other way around, honey. So thank you. This is so sweet. Lily and Natalia. Hold on, baby.
Only me and you.
Elia. Avea and Ace. All right, let's see what they look like. Avea, it says Chosen. So cute. It says Chosen. Look, and it's your size. Perfect.
Perfect.
And Ace's, it's his size too. His says Chosen. It's in blue. This is Elia's. Hers is like a soft purple, which is perfect because this is her favorite color. Oh, you can't see the purple. Nice. You can't even tell it's purple. Oh, there.
Nice.
And Tolly and Lily, these are yours, baby girls. Oh. We have purple and pink, a dark purple Chosen, and a light purple Chosen. How cute are these? Thank you so much, Ebony, for sending these. Super adorable. I can't wait for them to wear it. I'm definitely gonna be taking pictures of these and posting it on my Instagram. Are you guys following me on my Instagram? If you're not, please do, because we actually post a lot of daily things that we're doing, and I definitely post more often on Instagram. So thank you so much, Ebony. I love them. Thank you. If I can find a link where you can buy these shirts, I'll definitely put it in the description box below if I can find a link. Hopefully I can, but thank you so much, Ebony. There's such a sweet, kind gesture. Okay, so let me get this stuff packed up and we are going to head home. Nowhere else to go. I wish we could go somewhere else, but you know, it's just errands and home. The kids are eating lunch in the car, so hopefully they'll be nice and fed by the time we get home. We are actually getting our pool worked on today. There's a pool repair guy that's gonna fix something on the pool, so we can't swim until maybe after he leaves, but hopefully we will get some stuff done in the house, and we'll see when we get there. We're now outside getting dinner underway. We had some leftover fried chicken from last night. I whipped up a burrito mixture with like corn and tomatoes and pinto beans and ground beef with some taco seasoning. I like to have that on hand in the fridge so I could just spoon it into a bowl, microwave it, and make a quick taco, burrito, or nacho thing. So with 5 kids, someone always wants something different, so I just provide like a couple options. It's okay. It's that kind of night. Uh-oh, be nice, please.
Mom, did you get it?
Mom life. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna spend some time with the kids, let them watch a movie and such while I get some work done on the computer. And I think after they go to bed, I'm going to attempt to finish all my laundry and such, because I've learned lately that it's really difficult for me to concentrate on my housework and take care of the kids at the same time. I've got to have balance. I've got to even it out. So I'm just gonna concentrate on them, and then when they go to bed early, because I know they're tired, they swam earlier, then I will concentrate on the other things that I need to do. So this is how I do it.
You eat too fast.
Oh, you ate so fast. Do you want some more? You want another burrito, or do you want to just have some milk or something?
Another burrito.
Oh my goodness. Good? Good. What do you think, buddy?
Oh, good.
Good? All right. There's this cool trick I learned if you want to occupy your kids for a while. I actually froze some of these, like Capri Suns, or these ones are actually the Kool-Aid ones. I'm going to throw them in the sink. So I'm just gonna throw them in the sink and kind of just make them slushy-ish. I mean, naturally if I had more time I would have freezed them for like less the amount of time, but I don't. So I'm going to just make them into slushy type consistency, cut the top, hand them a spoon, and give it to them outside, and literally 45 minutes of fun while I can get some stuff done in the house and get things ready before we start the bedtime routine. Be careful. So about 15 more minutes, and then we're gonna go in and get showers and start the bedtime stuff, okay?
I made a bedtime story.
You what?
I made a bedtime story. Yeah, we did it.
I know, you were taking a nap. Do you want a burrito? When you get out. When you get out, you can eat. No running.
Go.
Yeah, about 15 more minutes, and then we're gonna get out, okay? So get your energy out. Don't tell them.
It's gonna be a surprise.
Okay, don't tell them, please. We're not there yet.
Yeah, we're gonna tell them.
We need to confirm it first, okay?
Who pushed me? I'm just here.
Okay, mommy's gonna go over here and clean up over here real quick, and so 15 minutes we're gonna get out, okay?
Okay. If you
Okay.
guys comment down below.
It's time for bed. Oh, tired.
Mom, can I show you?
Yeah, oh, what is that mess over there? You guys gonna clean up your art area before you go to bed, right?
This is a art.
Okay, let me see what you got.
And this is a book.
Is it an ice cream? Oh, how cute is that?
How to draw.
Wow, Bea, I love it. Super colorful. No way. Did you seriously draw that?
I did that.
You're kidding me. You're kidding. No, are you serious?
And then I did these.
That is so good.
Some popcorn.
You're gonna have to call Daddy and show him.
And then
I love it so much, but I'm sorry to say, it really is time for bed though. Okay? Let's get.
I'm gonna do a milk.
Did anybody not brush their teeth? Boogie, come on, Bug. Ace, let's go, bud. Oh, sleeping
Really made a
babies.
book for Mom and Dad.
I love it, honey. Okay, let's get in bed.
I can't wait to
Because
show
Mama's
Dad.
got laundry and.
I can't wait to show Daddy my art and my Zoom
Well,
class.
we can Skype him really quick to say goodnight, okay?
Oh yes.
Okay, let's go.
Show my